everyone, it's Katarina from Dolled Desserts, and today we are making a classic at the bakery, our protein-packed banana chocolate chip muffins. We get hundreds of orders for these banana muffins, especially from the cafes that we service. I think it's because a lot of people like to have a banana muffin as a nice, healthier snack or part of their breakfast. At least I do. This recipe is super simple. You're gonna be whipping up delicious banana treats in no time. Let's get baking. So the first thing you have to do, like any of the recipes, is making the flax egg. I'm gonna pull the flax pack out of the pack and I'm gonna put it into 5 tablespoons of water. While our flax seeds are resting, let's add our sunflower oil, our maple syrup, and since these are banana muffins, I'm going to add 4 ripened bananas. Now, but I'm not going to add those ripened bananas, you know, the ones with the spots or maybe some brown lines on them. When I say ripened bananas, I mean black. And the way that we achieve this is by using your smoothie bananas. You know those smoothie bananas, the ones at the back of the freezer? They are the ultimate for making banana bread. The flavor in those bananas are super powerful, and all of the starches get broken down in the freezer so they become super moist and perfect to making the ultimate soft banana muffin. Once your bananas have been added to the bowl, we're going to add in our flax egg. And the last ingredient before we add our baking mix is 2 scoops of protein powder. Now you can add more scoops if you really like, or less, it's totally up to you. If you are going to add more protein powder, I highly recommend adding in very small amounts at a time, some non-dairy milk to kind of moisten up the batter, and I would actually add that protein after you've put everything together, just so you can get an idea of how soft the actual batter should be. Now that all of our wet ingredients are incorporated, we're going to now use a whisk to break up those bananas and mix everything in to ensure everything is well combined before we add the baking mix. Now that everything's whisked together, let's add the baking mix. And as always, mix it up. Now that it's mixed up, you probably notice that the batter is actually pretty thick. This is due to the addition of the protein powder, and even at 2 scoops, we already have a batter that's going to be very thick. The remedy for this is we're going to add in some extra non-dairy milk. I'm using hemp milk for that extra protein, as well as 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This is to help the muffins rise and be extra big and beautiful. Once you've added the apple cider vinegar and the extra milk, you could totally bake these now. But this is Dolled Desserts, so we're going to make this into an extra special treat. I'm going to add some walnuts into the batter, as well as some chocolate chips. Mix these in to incorporate them. What is it with me and raw batter, honestly? Our batter's ready to go in the oven. Let's put it into muffin cups. You're going to portion off your batter into a standard muffin pan. If you have liners, go ahead and use them. If you don't have liners, you can just grease the interior of the pan. We're going to bake these muffins at 350 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. And that's it. That is how simple it is to make these delicious banana protein chocolate chip muffins. If you're not going to eat these muffins all in one sitting, which honestly, I don't recommend doing, you can actually freeze them for up to 6 weeks in an airtight container, making them the perfect snack for you when you're on the go, going to work, to put in kids' lunches, so long as there's no walnuts in it, of course. They're perfect for anyone to enjoy at any time, which is what I'm gonna do right now. Thank you so much for watching and learning how to make our super simple signature banana chocolate chip muffins with the addition of protein. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, definitely hit that subscribe button and show your love for this recipe, as well as any of the other recipes on our channel. If you decide to make these delicious banana muffins, please share it with us. We would love to see it on social media. Tag us at Dolled Desserts Baking, and we will definitely share it. And one more thing, as a little teaser for next week, it's actually my birthday, and so we're going to be making something extra special. They're so moist and so chocolatey. Best part about these muffins is that everybody can enjoy them. They're completely gluten-free, dairy-free, egg-free, soy-free. They can be nut-free. The baking mix itself is completely nut-free. Like, anybody can enjoy these muffins. That's the best part. A healthy treat that everybody can enjoy. Why wouldn't you be making these? Thanks for watching.